story, the bond of love from your first book, Beehive, right? This is the topic, chapter number 9. Okay, the bond of love. Author? Kenneth Anderson. Okay. So basically this story highlights the emotional love, affection or bond between a human being and animal. Is it clear to you? Yeah. So this story basically here the narrator's wife has taken a wildlife sloth bear as a pet animal. Okay, and the affection and the love we will see in this story, right? How an animal presents and shows its feelings towards the human being like a human. Okay, so we'll see that clear in this story. The feeling like love with the human being or an animal. Okay, now we'll start the reading of the story. Okay, and we'll also discuss the difficult words. Clear? That will help you to understand the story in a better way. Okay, see the first para of this story. I will begin with Bruno, my wife's fat sloth bear. I got him for her by accident. Now, author is describing here the incident from where they got this bear. Okay. Now, he is telling about the name. Bruno is the name of that animal. Bear. The name of bear. My wife. Now, author is telling about the one incident how his wife got this fat bear. Okay, sloth bear. I got him for her by an accident. So author has taken this sloth bear from somewhere like by an accident. Okay, and he presented it or gifted it to his wife. Is it clear to you all? 2 years ago, now he is describing the incident, what was happened and from where he got this bear. Okay. 2 years ago, we were passing through the sugarcane fields near Mysore. People were driving away the wild pigs from the fields by shooting at them. Some were shot and some escaped. We thought that everything was over when suddenly a black sloth bear came out panting in the hot sun. Panting means, do you know panting? Yes, everyone? Panting means taking short, quick breaths. हाँपना, जैसे एकदम से कहीं से बच करके आना और बहुत तेजी से सांस लेना. Is it clear? Yeah. That is called panting. And do you know wantonly? Wantonly means for no good reason. Is it clear? So, see the first paragraph. 2 years ago, we were passing through the sugarcane fields. Now, author is telling one incident that once 2 years ago, he is telling about before 2 years. Okay, 2 साल पहले when they were passing through the sugarcane fields. Sugarcane, do you know? गन्ने के fields से जब वो पास हो रहे होते हैं, from where? Mysore. Yes. So that time when one thing happened there, what was that? People of that area were driving away. Driving away means दूर हटाना. Okay, from their fields to pigs. Okay, wild pigs from the fields by shooting at them. Is it clear? They were shooting the pigs to drive away from their sugarcane fields, right? Some were shot and some escaped. उनमें से कुछ तो उसी टाइम शॉट हो गए और कुछ बच गए. We thought that everything was over when suddenly a black sloth bear came out panting in the hot sun. Means it was running. That is why it was taking a breath, like quick breaths. Okay. So that time when they thought that everything was fulfilled, like completed over, that time they saw a sloth bear came there and it was panting. It was panting means it was taking a quick breath. Now I will not shoot a sloth bear wantonly. Wantonly means for no good reason. Like it is the opinion of author. Like author was not ready to kill any animal without any reason. Okay, without any valid reason. But a Unfortunately for the poor beast, one of my companions didn't feel that way about it and promptly shot the bear on the spot. But as I was feeling about the animal, about the bear, that without any reason, like it is not harmful for me, if it is not giving any harm to me, so I'm not going to kill it, right? But one of my companion didn't think like that, okay, and he just shot the bear, okay. As we watched the fallen animal, we were surprised to see that the black fur on its back moved and left the prostrate body. Then we saw it was a baby bear that had been riding on its mother's back when the sudden shock had killed her, and the little creature ran around its prostrate parent making a pitiful noise. Okay, now author is telling that what happened there when one of the companion of the author shoot a bear. That time they were surprised to watch something that was like fallen animal when the bear was completely fallen down on the earth after it was killed. Okay, we were surprised to see that the black fur of its back moved. मतलब उन्होंने पीछे से उसकी fur को, that the upper body of the bear was coming up. So they were surprised to see it that moved up and left the prostrate body. Prostrate body means lying to ground facing downwards. Okay, पूरी की पूरी जो body है bear की वो नीचे की तरफ पड़ी हुई है. Okay, and it was dead. But fur was coming up, moving up. So it was a very surprising feeling for us. So what was that? Then we saw it was a baby bear behind it. तो यहाँ पर उन्होंने एक बेबी बेयर को देखा and that had been riding on its mother's back, जो पीछे से अपनी मदर की बैक पर आ रहा था. It was trying to find out that what happened with him. Okay. The sudden shot had killed her and the little creature ran around it prostrate. Prostrate means like it was also frightened by see that its mother was not moving. Means it was dead. So it was a pitiful noise for it and it was trying to escape himself. I ran up to it to attempt a capture. It scooted into the sugarcane field, following it with my companion. I was at last able to grab it by the scruff of its neck while it snapped and tried to scratch me with its long looped claws. Okay, now author is telling that what happened with him when they tried to catch this creature. So it tried to escape it because his mother was already dead. So he was trying to escape himself from these people. Like he was thinking that these are the different one and they have killed its mother, right? So it ran away into the sugarcane field. And somehow with the help of my companion, means with the help of author's companion, author tried to grab it and it was caught by the author by its collar. जैसे यहाँ पर जो अभी इन्होंने ये वर्ड है like scruff of its neck while, okay, means take hold to the of the back of a neck or collar suddenly and roughly. किसी भी चीज को सडनली या रफली अचानक से कैच करना. और एनिमल्स को बेसिकली जो पकड़ा जाता है वो उनके नेक से ही, पीछे से जो नेक होती है वहीं से कैच किया जाता है. So author is telling that how he caught it, okay, grabbed it, and then it snapped and tried to scratch me. Snapped and tried scratch me means that bear tried to escape himself from the grab of author, like by scratching him on its hooked claws. Hooked means जो कि हुक की तरह से होते हैं, उसके जो क्लॉज पंजे होते हैं, right? Bruno soon we put it in one of the gunny bags. Gunny bags means it is made of jute. जो जूट का बना हुआ बैग था, we put it inside the bag and we had brought, and when I got back to Bangalore, I dully presented it to my wife because my according to author's wife was really close to those pet animals. She was used to keep the pet animals, okay, with her. So it was once again an opportunity for me to gift her a pet, a new pet. Okay, so I gifted her this pet to my, like, not pet, this bag to my wife. She was delighted. She was too happy. She at once put a colored ribbon around its neck, and after discovering the cup was a boy, she christened it Bruno. Christened it means named it. Named it. Okay, means finally my wife took it. Okay, and then she was delighted. She was too happy by see this, right? And she affectioned it like a baby, isn't it? And after finding that the cub was a male, okay, the cub means the child of bear, okay, it was a male, so she named it Bruno. Then Bruno soon took to drinking milk from a bottle. It was but a step further, and within a very few days he started eating and drinking everything else. And everything is the right word, because for he ate porridge made for any ingredient, vegetables, fruits, nuts, meat, especially pork. Means now author is telling how, in what way it started growing up. Like in the starting days, it was not taking like just simply drinking the milk from a bottle like a small baby, okay, infant, isn't it? But later on it started eating too much. Like he says and use the word petu for it, okay, foodie. Like it was used to eat everything almost, लाइक कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं था जो उससे बचा हुआ हो. जैसे कि यहाँ पर वो काउंट भी करते हैं, लॉन्ग लिस्ट ही हैज गिवन फॉर इट्स लाइक व्हाट ही वाज यूज्ड टू ईट. इज इट क्लियर? व्हाट आर द थिंग्स? लाइक porridge made for any ingredient, vegetable, fruits, nuts, meat, especially pork, okay, meat, and curry and rice regardless of कॉन्डिमेंट्स. कॉन्डिमेंट्स से मतलब क्या है? यस, बहुत डिफरेंट, जितने भी मसाले उसको बहुत पसंद है खाने में. एंड चिलीज, ब्रेड, एग्स, चॉकलेट, स्वीट्स, ओके, पुडिंग, आइसक्रीम, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. मीन्स ऑल ऑफ दीज वर इंक्लूडेड इन बैड डाइट, ओके. Who? In who? Bruno. Now it has already given a name. Okay, so we'll say here it's Bruno, not Bear. Okay. Now he also described the great list, like as for drink, milk, tea, coffee, lime juice, aerated water, and buttermilk. Okay, beer, alcoholic liquor. जितने भी अल्कोहलिक लिक्विड थे वो भी लिक्विड्स तो उसे सभी पसंद थे, जितने भी लिक्विड्स थे, isn't it? And in fact anything liquid, it all went down with relish. Relish means it all went relish. relish से मतलब है great enjoyment. इन सब चीजों को खाने में और ये सब लिक्विड पीने में it was to take much enjoyment. Okay, it take much enjoyment. उसे बहुत एंजॉय वो करता था इन चीजों को पीने और खाने में. द बियर बिकेम वेरी अटैच्ड टू आवर टू Alsatian dog. Alsatian, do you know? One breed of dog. Is telling about the activities of bear, that it was too foodie. Okay, it take or ate everything and that they enjoying it. ओके, ये बहुत ज़्यादा खाने वाला था और सब चीज़ों को बहुत एंजॉयमेंट के साथ ही, लाइक लिक्विड इसे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद था और ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं जिसको हम ये कहें कि वो नहीं खाता था, isn't it? Then he related like bear became very attached to our two Alsatian dog. Alsatian dog like a breed of dogs, okay, breed of dogs. These were the pet animal of the author, and this was too attached to these dogs, right? To all the children of the tenants. Tenants means building, किराएदार. अच्छा. Okay, people who live on rent, isn't it? और उनके जो ऑथर के जो टेनेंट्स होते हैं वो उनसे भी बहुत ज़्यादा अटैच्ड हो जाता है, right? Younger days and spent his time in playing. Okay, means living in our bungalow. Whoever the tenants were living in their author's bungalow, So Bruno was to attach those children and with the to pat dog Alsatian dog. Okay. And now also he tells that he was left quite free in his younger days and spent his time in playing, running into the kitchen and going to sleep in our beds. Like we see that it was living a life like a human beings baby. ओके वो बिल्कुल कैसे लाइफ को स्पेंड कर रहा था जैसे ह्यूमन बीइंग बेबी होता है इजंट इट लाइक किचन में ऑलमोस्ट टाइम स्पेंड करना रनिंग प्लेइंग विद दोस चिल्ड्रन इजंट इट एंड आल्सो ही टुक स्लीप ऑन द बेड ऑफ राइट और वो बेड पर ही उनके सो जाता था वन डे एन एक्सीडेंट befell means happened. So one day an accident happened him. I put down poison, barium carbonate. Barium carbonate is the name of that poison. The author kept it in its library just to kill the rats and mice that had got into his library. Right. So from like to kill all those from and to move away from his library, he just kept a little poison there. And what happened Bruno? Like Bruno entered the library like always and often he was used to go in the library, isn't it? So and he ate some of the poison and as he often did and he ate some of the poison and paralysis set into the extent that he could not stand on his feet. And what happened with it? That when he entered into the library, like he was mostly used to go in the library, so he just found that something different and it ate like it was foodie. वो बहुत ज़्यादा खाने का शौकीन है, so इसलिए उसने सोचा कि ये भी कोई खाने की चीज़ है and he ate that poison. Okay, and what the effect of that poison on it? Like he got paralysis. Okay, on its action and because of this cause it was unable to stand on its feet, on its legs, okay, and unable to walk, isn't it? But he dragged himself on his stumps. Stumps means legs. जो legs होती हैं, उसने किसी तरीके से अपनी legs पर धीरे-धीरे आने की कोशिश की, drag करने की कोशिश की to my wife, and by dragging its legs, he just reached to my wife. Who called me? I guessed what had happened, and after getting this situation, my wife made me a phone call. Okay, and I understood that what had happened. Like author understood that what had happened because author knows about that because he has kept that poison in the library. Okay, so he understood that what was the reason there of this call. Okay, क्या हुआ होगा? Okay, oh, I rushed in the car to the Wax residence and without any delay author reached to a veterinary. Wax means a veterinary doctor जो animals की देखभाल करते हैं. Clear? Okay, a case of poisoning tame bear barium carbonate. What to do? और मैंने उनको बताया कि ये कौन सा पॉइजन उसने दिया है, ठीक है? जो टेम से मतलब क्या है? It has become टेम, ओके, जो बहुत ज़्यादा वीक हो चुका है because of this and it was in this type of condition. Out came his medical books and a feverish reference to index began. What poison did you say, sir? Barium carbonate? Yes, barium salts are barium carbonate. Symptoms: paralysis. Treatment: injections. Of just a minute, sir. I will bring my syringe and the medicine. Now, this is the description of the doctor. Like वो जैसे author ने उसको बताया like this dog, tame dog has taken a barium carbonate. Okay. So this doctor first examined all those things. He took a medical book. Okay, and searched this poison. What was the cause of this poison? Okay, what was the actual name of this poison? Okay, and what is the treatment of it, and what are the symptoms of it? So he all these words reading in the book, and then he told to other that he is going to bring his syringe and injection, because the treatment of this is injection. Okay, like